Jobs play a very key important role in our day-to-day life. A lot of the heavy lifting in modern applications gets done by the worker processes, cron jobs, and background processes. But we also need to monitor them. Typically, observability tools will club the background jobs also with the APM data, but Last9 thinks differently. We think that jobs deserve their own monitoring. With our discover philosophy of automatically discovering processes, services, and cron jobs in production or any other environment, we automatically detect if there are any consumer producer jobs across different queues, whether it is Kafka, Sidekick, RabbitMQ, doesn't matter. With the same design principle that we have with Discover services, this data is available to agents as well as to humans. You can understand this data via agent mode as well and see where to improve things. We feel that the background jobs deserve their own first class citizenship because their failure modes are different. Their consumption happens very differently. Latency may not be a concern for background jobs, but it is a concern for HTTP services. Their alerting modes are also different. We can see that Larson has found out the performance bottlenecks in my Sidekick environment, which is based on Redis. There have been few latency jumps in this process. The accounting system which uses Kafka relatively looks good. Fraud detection service also looks good. Overall, the active record not found has a very high rate, which means I may be causing some wrong jobs to be included in my system. There have been also a lot of Redis client errors as well, which end towards the problem of Redis performance degradation. And of course, I also get to see where I should focus, what can be the root cause for these problems. Critical fixes where I should focus, add few timeout protection in my code that I can very quickly implement. This is the power of runtime context provided by Last9 telemetry data platform. Now, as we see that this data is available for agents, this data is also available for humans in Last9 UI. If you go to the Discover section, you will find Discover jobs. All jobs from different environments are automatically discovered, be them Sidekick jobs, cron jobs, or if you have any Kafka related jobs as well. You can click on a job, understand its metrics. These SLIs can be completely different, and they are different from a typical HTTP or a gRPC application. There can be error distribution, error rate, response time, which is the duration taken by the job, and throughput. We can also quickly jump into the traces where things have gone wrong. We can actually see the stack trace as well. The hypothesis verified by my agent, where it said that there were a lot of active record not found errors. I can confirm that very quickly from here. This is the power of Last9, where jobs deserve and get their own space in the monitoring world so that you can understand, introspect them separately, apart from typically monitoring the typical HTTP or gRPC services. Want to get started and monitor your own background workers, cron jobs, and processes? Just sign up on app.last9.io, send your hotel data. No configuration is required. With zero config, you can monitor your jobs. Just enable the traces and get started.